So for the past 3 months, I've been saying goodbye to my stomach. I see it this way. It's like saying goodbye to a loved one on their deathbed, but being able to say goodbye at their fullest, as you want to remember them, instead of saying goodbye to them when they're frail and diminished. I've done that a few times and it's not fun. And that means eating and drinking. And boy, did I. For all of that, I had to get tested to make sure that it was okay to wait. And let me tell you, it is truly agonizing to wait for those results to come in to find out if you are riddled with cancer. Not fun. And I found out that everything was okay besides having stomach cancer. I needed to get my stomach removed. And I was told that working out was good for you. And I was already kind of doing that, so I decided, okay, let's work out more. But I gotta tell you, I just gotta be honest with you, I didn't keep up with it. You know, I didn't think that it was on the top of the priority list to live the healthiest lifestyle before getting my stomach removed. And I just wanted to have fun with my stomach in the last weeks that I had it. I just wanted some ice cream. I needed to just feel normal. So I worked, I was a husband, I was a dad, and I just kept on going. But I did realize that I loved looking at my body for the first time in my entire life. All of the imperfection. I just loved the way my body jiggled in the mirror. I was able-bodied, a complete able-bodied person, annoyingly able-bodied. So I decided to call up my cousin and take some profile shots just to remember me in my fullness. We did it in the woods outside of Los Angeles, and after I'm healed and my body changes, we're gonna take some more photos to compare the two, life after surgery. And I met people in the community. I went out to lunch with people that don't have their stomachs, and I was absolutely terrified. But after the lunch, I actually felt really, really, really ready. And they all said that they were fine. Truly, that was the theme of anyone that I talked to that doesn't have a stomach. They all are thriving. But it's still insane to live without a stomach. After all of that, I went all in on food. I mean, really all in. The first place I went was to a revolving sushi bar. Incredible. I ate so much sushi to the point where I felt overstuffed. And that's something else that I really enjoy feeling now is that bloated feeling of overstuffedness. Truly, I used to hate it, but now it is such an incredible and inspiring feeling that I know I'm not gonna have ever again. So I just kept eating. I went to a Dodgers game. I ate all of the Dodgers dog, popcorn, ice cream, drank beer, things that I know will fill up my GI tract so quickly after my stomach was removed. I went to the zoo to have a Dole Whip, and I just enjoyed everything that I can eat without thinking. But most of all, I went to Vegas, baby. Never been to Vegas before, so we celebrated Bye Bye Tum Tum 2025, the first time and the last time for my stomach in Vegas. I knew that the buffets were legendary, and they did not disappoint. I went to the Caesars buffet, and I got one of everything. Before I had this looming stomach removal over my head, I probably would have thought, should I? I don't know if I should really eat that. I'll be overstuffed. Not this time, y'all. I ate it all up. So with my stomach being removed, I'll have to think a lot about what I can and can't eat, when I can and can't eat, but not while I was in Vegas. I went to a club where I almost got crushed during EDM show. I don't recommend that, but I didn't have to think about the late night tacos and the margaritas I got after that show. It was a lot of fun. Oh, so thanks Vegas for the best Bye Bye Tum Tum party a guy could have asked for. It was truly an incredible experience. Also, wear sunscreen. It's so hot and bright in Vegas. Just wear sunscreen. So now it's on to the new part of my life without my stomach and hopefully 100% cancer free. So thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Consider watching another video. And I'll see you on the other side.